Welcome to Jibril Enterprise. Try our African Habanero pepper seeds, non-hybrid. It is pure, naturally grown early mature variety with high yield preserved through traditional seed selection and cultivation. Nurse seeds for 4 to 6 weeks and start harvesting them at 8 weeks after transplanting. It has not been genetically modified or crossbred, ensuring customers get the original African heat aroma and flavor trusted for generations. This pepper is known for its intense heat, rich fruity aroma, and deep, bold taste that enhances soups, stews, sauces, other African foods. Compared to hybrid peppers, this non-hybrid African habanero, resilient in concentration, natural pungency, and authentic spice quality. Grown under natural conditions, it is sun-ripened, chemical-free. Seeds are carefully dried or processed to maintain maximum freshness, heat level, and nutritional value. Fruits are perfect for sauces, soups, pepper mixes, and seasoning. Authentic African taste. Keep nursery under partial shade, transplant seedlings after 4 to 6 weeks of nursery. Ensure weed-free, NPK or organic fertilizers are recommended on infertile soils. They are resistant to disease and strive very well in unfavorable conditions. They begin to flower and fruit at 8 weeks after transplanting. This habaneros develop full heat and aroma at maturity. Harvest every 5 to 7 days. 4 to 5 tons per acre if well managed. Total growing period from nursery to first harvest is 90-100 days. At Jibril Enterprise, we supply clean, non-hybrid African habanero pepper seeds to home gardeners, farmers, and researchers worldwide. No artificial enhancement, just consistent heat, quality, and authenticity. From Ghana to international buyers, non-negotiable heat. Just bold, authentic African spice. Farmers, grow what the market wants. Buy African non-hybrid habanero. Pepper seeds from Jibril Enterprise. Germination is efficient. Seeds have long viability period of about 18 months. No refrigeration needed. High market demand due to its shiny fruits and appearance. Plant quality. Harvest profit. Start with the right seed. With a verified seed seller, adaptable and suitable for all soils and climate. Order your seeds today. Don't risk fake or mixed seeds. Jibril Enterprise is here for you. Your happiness is our priority. Thank you.